Okay, so we made it to Sydney, and this is what the aircraft looks like after 16 hours, 17 hours. It's a complete mess. There's pillows everywhere. Just make sure I have all my stuff. Yes, sir. Thank you. Just watch. It is so nasty. Good morning. Thank you for a great flight. There's so much trash. It's incredible. So this is their business class. Yeah, it's 232. There's even the middle seat. And even the business class is trashed. Oh, but it's 222 here. Oh, that was premium economy, sorry. So this is business, which is 121. Hello. And it's trashed just like the rest of the plane.
I'm gonna take the photos of the clean.
Oh no. This is a photo because you never see it like this, right?
This is so messy.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. Just got off of the flight. This is what 17-hour face looks like. It's crazy. These cleaners have a lot of work to do. Let's just say. All right. So there's our bird. (787-9). I'm always amazed. Oh, there's even Latam on the other side. I'm always amazed when we get off a plane. And good morning. This Korean is also in. Okay. Now we're drawing with everybody else, and I think if I go. I think I can see the plane from here. And there it is. Alright. And of course they're going to take off all the junk. The flight attendants is funny. You hear her say, I should take the plane. And I say, no, this is the picture I need. Alright. So this is actually a good flight. Things heading off. The crew did really well. Sydney, welcome. Okay, good flight, good crew. Although they were short-handed, they still were able to service. So everything worked out really good. But they didn't have Wi-Fi. The only thing they didn't have Wi-Fi on like the 4th or 5th longest flight in the world. You need Wi-Fi. That's such lost revenue, Cornet. But good flight. Other than that, meal was good. They fed us the whole time, drinks the whole time, so that was really good. All right, welcome. Welcome to Sydney.